Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm on to my last little problem with the Camaro, and I'm gonna fix it. So this is my issue. When I start the car, it starts up fine. Then after a few minutes, it starts this jumping up and down, this surge back and forth. And I'm gonna show you how to correctly diagnose this problem, and I'm gonna show you where the problem's at. So let's get started. I put the thing back together. Okay, there we go. We're starting. Now I'm gonna try to show you this with one hand. I just cleaned the mass airflow sensor, but it's gonna start this erratic idle in a minute. And I'm going to show you how to diagnose the mass airflow sensor, how to test the mass airflow sensor, and I'm going to show you what you can use to clean the mass airflow sensor. Well, I just cleaned it, it might not do it. So I'm going to tell you how to test it just in case this thing doesn't do it. Well, if it starts doing a surge, jumping up and down or won't start, you might think it's an off-spark, but it would be the mass airflow sensor. You can unplug the mass airflow sensor and the car will run. Once you plug the mass airflow sensor back in, the car's idle should smooth out. The mass airflow sensor is very important for the cars because it reads air temperature, it reads how much air is coming in, and it adjusts fuel to compensate for the amount of air coming in. The car is a good car. I think now I got it finished. It's idling great. I mean, I have no problem. I'm about to do a flush today, and I'm going to call it a wrap on the motor, transmission, and everything else. I think this solved my problem. I think I'm good. And I'm going to show you really quickly. I just got water in there. I'm in a flush. Here's the old SLP mass airflow sensor. I pulled the screen out. There's a little lip in there. Here's the mass airflow sensor cleaner. You can use this after you spray it, but be very careful on those little things. Very light. So if you like this video and this helped you out, fix my problem. It's not surging anymore. I might actually buy a new aftermarket mass airflow sensor, but at this time I'm not. Thanks a lot for watching and following, liking and subscribing, and keep shooting me the questions. I don't mind helping you guys out. You guys have a great rest of the week, and thank you so much.